Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel, where I share with you the latest and most insightful analysis on US politics and global affairs. Today, I want to talk about a topic that is very important and very urgent: the US debt ceiling crisis. You may have heard that the US government is running out of money to pay its bills, and that Congress needs to raise the debt limit by June 1st, or else the US will default on its debt for the first time in history. This would be a catastrophe for the US economy, but also for the rest of the world. Why? Because the US dollar and the US Treasury bonds are the backbone of the global financial system. The US dollar is the world's reserve currency, meaning that most countries hold it as part of their foreign exchange reserves, and use it to trade with each other. The US Treasury bonds are considered the safest and most liquid assets in the world, meaning that investors buy them as a way to store their wealth and hedge against risks. The US debt market is worth $24 trillion, and it affects everything from mortgages to interest rates to stock prices. Now imagine what would happen if the US suddenly stopped paying its debt holders on time. The confidence in the US dollar and the US Treasury bonds would collapse. The value of these assets would plummet. The interest rates would skyrocket. The financial markets would freeze up. The global economy would plunge into a recession. And who would benefit from this chaos? China. China is the largest foreign holder of US debt, with more than $1 trillion in its reserves. China also has ambitions to challenge the US as a global superpower, and to promote its own currency, the renminbi, as an alternative to the dollar. If the US defaults on its debt, China could use this opportunity to dump its holdings of US treasuries, and to undermine the credibility of the US as a leader of the world order. This is not just speculation. This is what some experts and officials have warned. They say that a US default would weaken America's economic strength and geopolitical leverage, and that China would take advantage of this situation to expand its influence and interests in Asia and beyond. So what can we do to prevent this nightmare scenario? We need to pressure our politicians to act responsibly and to raise the debt ceiling before it's too late. We need to remind them that this is not a partisan issue, but a national security issue. We need to tell them that we cannot afford to play with fire and risk our future and our reputation. What do you think? Do you agree with me that a US default would be a disaster for the world and a gift for China? Do you think that Congress will reach a deal before June 1st? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.